Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am complete with the collaboration that Oohlala Vintage Treasure is in with Red Hill Fiber Company in conjunction with Martha at Bird and Barn Designs here on YouTube. And it was a collaboration between the two of them, let's say. And we were given these wood spools, and I left these without lace so I could show them to you. We were given the wooden spools, and here's a couple before they were painted by Martha at Bird and Barn Designs. I'm always afraid I'm going to say that wrong. And Red Hill Fiber Company. Red Hill Fiber Company is her daughter and son-in-law. That is, they have a brick and mortar store. It's a gorgeous store, so go to their website. Everything's going to be linked down below, but it is redhillfiber.com. You're going to see these beautiful bobbins there. They are 4x4, and you're going to see a lace stand with lace holders. You can buy the lace holders separate. You can buy the bobbin separate. They have a lot of options on how you can buy this. I've seen in the internet world where people are saying they think that they need to get 2 lace holders to get more stands, kits to get more lace holders, and you don't. You get 6 lace holders with the stand. I have 12 on mine. Check out my previous video, which I will link, so you can see what I did with mine. I have 12 on mine. It fits 12 perfectly. Comes with 6. You can buy 6 more. Okay, these bobbins are awesome. They come plain like this, and they come decorated with the wood burning. Isn't that gorgeous? So I painted mine. You can hear my dogs, they're playing. So mine are painted. We also got a package, which is, in the previous video, it'll be linked. You probably saw it, from Doreen at Oohlala Vintage Treasures, where she sent a beautiful package. It was just a couple of days ago with these 2 boxes and a bunch of, look at the goodies. These goodies, these are ones that I haven't used, and some laces, just a whole bunch of goodies. And we were to decorate a box. I chose to decorate both of them and decorate our bobbins. So here are the bobbins with lace on them. You have the plain, and then there's the decorated. I painted mine in a chalk white. It's cottage white. This is what I painted mine with. These will get lace. Now that you've seen them, I can put lace. I just wanted to leave a couple showing the beautiful digital. Don't let me forget to tell you, this is Doreen's at Oohlala Vintage Treasure, her digital, and this is the Pink Parfait Cafe. Pink Parfait Cafe. I need a drink of water. The dogs are coming in here now, so I apologize. I was trying to shoo him away. So here's this beautiful kit. So all of the designers for Oohlala Vintage Treasure received 6 of these bobbins, and each of them are making over the bobbins and using the boxes, or one box, whatever they choose, in their design. So I'm excited, I'm ecstatic to see what everybody does with theirs. She gave us, you really have to go back and watch the video before this one so you can see all the goodies that Doreen sent. Okay, so she sent, these were tied around things, so I made this dangle. Love this dangle. So cute. So here is the small box. I put feet on the box, and I put these corners on it. I just love it because it already had the locking mechanism on it. And then I fussy cut this out. Again, I used the Pink Parfait Cafe, and I cut this out of one of the digitals, and I just decoupaged that on there. This is holding all of the goodies, and I did not paint the inside. I didn't want the inside white. These are all the goodies that I have left over. So here's that. I painted the rim. So these goodies are left over from what Doreen sent. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, love this stuff. So that's my special box. And then these are some goodies that are left over that came in the kit. Beautiful. This box, I added feet on this box. Bigger feet than what's on the little box. I added a handle right here. And then this cameo, just beautiful. I had to use the cameo. I have the digital all around here. And then I put this pretty lace along the sides. And surprise, I made a little journal. I just had to. So the inside, we have a beautiful kit. Oh, didn't show you the dangle. If you're designing for Oohlala Vintage Treasures, you have to have a dangle. It's her signature. Dangles are Doreen's signatures. So this was partially made. It's one of the goodies that came from Doreen. I added this rhinestone, and then I added this with all these pretty beads on it. And it's just pretty hanging from there. I added the applique that we received in here, and I just think that is so beautiful. It's white on the inside of here, already white for us, and it's beautiful. I love this box. I love how it turned out. The box is a perfect placeholder for these. Fill them all up. We got these ones. Perfect placeholder for those. Put your laces in there. I love it. But I had to make a journal, so that's what I did. So let's look. This tie was 2 pieces of fabric that I stitched together to make the long tie. There's the stitching. This is what Doreen had put together already, this beautiful dangle here. So I used it on the cover. And the flower, I used the flower, and I put some little pearls in there, a little thing that came with our kit from Doreen. I love the flower there. This fabric is from Doreen, as well as, sorry if you can hear the dogs, as well as this quilt. It's a very, very, very soft pink. So I left the inside with the quilt. I love the feel of it. I love the look of the stitch pattern. This is also one that Doreen, just the way she had it, I didn't change anything. I stitched around this whole thing. There's no glue on this cover. It's just from the sewing machine. And that's how this is stitched in. If I can find the middle. I just ran it just like this. I ran it through the sewing machine, and just did a stitching straight down there. So this is some gorgeous handmade paper that Doreen supplied with us. I have a piece still yet to use in a future project. This little applique. So I used this beautiful kit. Got a belly band here with a journaling card. There's journaling cards and tags in here if you want to use this for a writing journal. Some of the pages you can write on with the black Sharpie. Beautiful applique there. This is one of the little bits from Doreen. I put it there. This applique is a placeholder for a little journaling card. This came with the kit from Doreen. We gotta have our noise. There is a little tuck, a journaling card with a little pink applique on it. Love that flower. There's a little piece of eyelet. I was drawing a blank for a second there. Pocket. Isn't that so pretty? I rounded the edges on all of the cards, I believe. So pretty. I love this kit. If this was the only kit I had to work with, I'd be happy. This square doily, I had to cut it down just a little bit, just a hair, but it's still beautiful. Love that doily. A belly band. The belly band is made from a piece that I had to cut off of this handmade paper. I reused it here, and one of the appliques that Doreen supplied us with. And again, here's a journaling card with it's very soft, very soft. This whole journal is tactile. Again, the corners are rounded. Got a little flower up there. The applique here. Here's our paper. Here's a pocket. And then we have a journaling card. Isn't that gorgeous? With a piece of that beautiful lace. Here's a side tuck. Have some pearls and a rhinestone little applique on there. And again, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. But you can move that back. See the beautiful digital? Isn't that gorgeous? And if you don't want to keep the journal in there, you want to keep the bobbins in there, perfect. But I love this journal in this box. This journal with the box is available if you're interested in it. Just shoot me an email or private message me. And there you go. Again, this is with Oohlala Vintage Treasures and Red Hill Fiber Company and Martha at Bird and Barn Design. Everything that you need will be linked down below. They will be tagged in the title. You can click on that and it'll take you right to their channel. And thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you loved this. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.